Hi, friends. Jesus told us God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son that people might be saved. He didn't say God was so angry at the world that he sent his only begotten Son to appease his anger. Forgiveness is as much a part of God's being as love. Indeed, forgiveness is an offshoot of love. And we know that God is love. God is not human that he might have a hard time forgiving his offenders. Jesus told us to forgive our offenders 70 times, 7 times. In other words, perpetually. And we know this is only a mimic of how our perfect Heavenly Father forgives his offenders. So if our wrongdoings were already pardoned in the sight of God, what exactly did Jesus accomplish on the cross? The answer to that question will be found in the definitions of 2 words, sin and forgiveness. We'll begin looking at these words tomorrow. Godspeed. Have you ever wondered what God is like? At times, he's been depicted as a malicious and overbearing dictator, and other times as an uninvolved and impersonal force. Some say we can't put God in a box. He's too mysterious, too unpredictable. Sometimes it seems that the Bible has already placed God in the box of mystery and unpredictability. But if we connect all the dots the Bible presents, we actually can find the box that God fits into. And we might be very surprised when we clearly see the God who fits into that box.